Hi, this is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. It's January 21st, 2019, and this is my first grow update of the year. Okay, so I've got my seeds started. I put them in yesterday, no, actually Saturday, 2 days ago. And so I've actually got a few more than I planned, probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 more. So I got around 45 total different types. So in the AeroGarden bounty, I've got Leviathan, Early Scorpion, Chocolate Champion, White Hot Peppers, Scotch Bonnet 2, Orange Ribbon, Kingstar Lemon Starburst, Kingstar Peach Starburst, 7-Pot Peach, Witch Tea Scorpion, and Daddle. And in the Sprout, and in my DIY or AeroGarden, this isn't an AeroGarden, so I call it a DIY AeroGarden. It's just a deep water culture system using 1-inch net pots. And I've got a video I'm working on to show how I put this together. I've got just a little light stand and a little Sansi light underneath here. And I've got the pump off at the moment just because of the noise. But this is a 5-gallon tote, about 4 gallons of solution. And mostly have annuums and a few bacatum, maybe 1 bacatum and some crosses. Mostly annuums in here. And in these other 2 I've got chinets. I'm not sure if I need the humidity covering on these or not, but I've got it on here I'll probably pull these off, but I don't think I really need them. But so in the Sprout, I've got the seed starting deck, and I can do 15 in there. And I've got Lithium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Red, White Hot Lime, Jay's the Red Ghost Scorpion crossed with Moruga. Both those, that and the White Hot Lime are from Justin White, and the Lithium Oxide Red also. Kingstar Starch Hornet, Reaper crossed with Moruga, Banda Majok Red, Banda Majok crossed with Pimenta de Nide, Reaper, Chocolate Bootla SM, which is the Stephen McLaurin strain, White Hot Peppers Orange Ghost, 7-Pot Lucy, Primo crossed with Carbonero, which is from Tony Sherwood, Purple Pumpkin, also from Tony Sherwood, 7-Pot West, and Kingstar Yellow Pumpkin. So I've got those, and I've got, I think, 18 in this DIY system. And I've got Sweet Christmas, which is Blue Christmas crossed with Stavros. That's F2, it's my cross. JT Yellow Tie, actually, I thought I was out of the, I didn't actually save seeds. Had a mishap on my pods I'd set aside. But I found some of my originals, only had a few, so I got those started. Kingstar White Tie, Gochu, Fish Pepper, Hot Banana, Zadrino, Blue Christmas, Shishito crossed with Stavros, which is another cross I made. Palmyra, Chiltepin Yellow, Criolla de Cocina, Ahi Lemon Drop, Tepin Red, Shishito, Chinzo, Pimente Espelette, and Stargazer, which is a Kingstar cross. And on all of these, I'm using the AeroGarden sponges just because I had extras of those. Sometimes I use the Park Seed Biodome, but for these 1-inch net pots, they're about half the height of the regular AeroGarden baskets. So I took the sponges and cut them in half. And the rest I just use the as they are. And for each one I put, people ask how I start my seeds. These, it's real basic. I put like 3 seeds in each one. And just put them in there, let them go, and they come up, you know, some sooner than later. But I usually get pretty good results with this method. Once they come up, I usually, if there's a certain window in which you can kind of pull out the extras and put them in something else before they get too grown in. Otherwise, you could just clip them off. Also, I've got these little wicking cups that I made. I've got Lithium Oxide Scotch Bonnet Mustard and Cardi Scorpion. That's the actual Cardi Scorpion from Cardi. They're really hot. And these are just little wicking wicking double cups. I think it's more improved method over just the regular double cup because it can wick up as it needs it before you have to wait. Otherwise, you got to wait for the roots to grow down to drink out of it. So it's more kind of a set and forget system. I've got a video I'm working on to show how I put these together. It's real easy to do. Takes just a couple of minutes using just styrofoam cups, some microfiber cloth, and some cocoa fiber. So anyway, that's so I got a video coming out on how to make these. It's very easy to do. Also working on a video on how to put this together. I'll have that up soon. And I'll just start doing my bi-weekly updates every 2 weeks showing how the grow is going. Hopefully should have some of these coming up by then. So anyway, that's my grow. Just officially started. I'll put a link to the grow list in the description. And anyway, if you want to subscribe and click the notification bell if you haven't already, you get updates on this this pepper grow over the year. And you can get notifications when I put up new content. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.